What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to trim your, or actually prune your rose bushes. So I got one of these for my old lady, this one here, a couple years back. The other one I think her mom brought over for us. So we planted them and whatnot, but I'm going to show you all how to prune them. Basically, the reason for this, you want to prune this shit so that you don't have dead branches on there, because it's just sucking the energy out of your plant. So typically what you all want to use is some pruning shears, but I couldn't find mine today, so we're just going to be using these here 10 snips. They should work just fine, but you all probably want to use pruning shears. But anyways, the goal is, looking at this bush here, see all these little dead parts? See how this is all different color here? We want to keep everything that's this nice green, and then all this brown shit like that we're going to put off. So what you all want to do, I'm going to put you down on this little live trap here just so you can watch. But basically, actually I'll hold you for the first one, but this one here, you just take it like this. You want to snip it at a 45-degree angle like that. You guys see that cut there? That way the water doesn't get into the plant and kill it off, you know what I mean? This one here is getting pretty brown. We're going to just clip this whole thing off right here. You know what, I'm just going to hold the camera, guys. I thought I was going to put on this trap. You know what, whatever. Let's see, we ain't got nothing coming off here. So we're going to come down. Actually, we're just going to trim this one right back here. Just like that. This one here. Oops. So you all want to keep up with this shit, alright? Because like I said, these little dead parts just suck the energy out of your plants. As soon as you trim them off, you'll see how much better your plants start doing. Okay? I'm just doing this here because these are in need of it. We're in the middle of the changing of the seasons here. Let's see here. Get that little guy off there. A couple of these puppies. Like I said, this just keeps the energy and shit growing in your plants and whatnot. And you guys don't want to be fucking assholes having some nasty ass rose bushes sitting in front of your gardens and whatnot, you know what I mean? I'm a little behind on this one, as you guys can see, but you know what? Better late than never, guys. Okay? This whole branch here is dead. Got that coming off there, so we're gonna just clip her like that. Got a couple more little guys on this one. So if you guys aren't familiar with my channel, this is called Leroy Fixing Shit. Basically, I'm going to show you all how to fix everything when I'm fixing it around my house. Okay? Now, the purpose for it is for you guys to learn how to do shit on your own. Because guess what? Real world, sometimes you ain't got money to pay the AC guy. Sometimes you ain't got money to pay to get your car fixed. You know what I'm saying? So you guys need to learn how to do shit on your own. That way you can survive in this cruel and unusual world that we're in right now. Just follow this shit right down like that. Snip them off, okay? Here comes another one right here. There we go. We've got a couple more here on the bottom. That wasn't even in there, sorry. Here's one. Snip that guy way down there. Pull her on out. And you guys see that? That's how you prune your rose bushes right there. Okay? Actually, we're gonna get a... Nah, I don't know what these balls are gonna do. They might turn it into some shit. We'll see. But anyways, that's how you guys trim your rose bush. Keep your old lady happy. Keep old mama happy. Keep your kids happy and shit. But anyways, like I said, this is Leroy Fixing Shit. That's how you all trim a rose bush. We're going to be doing all kinds of shit around the house. We're going to be doing shit here, doing shit there, fucking fixing stuff, doing stuff. If y'all like the content, please make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way y'all get updates on the new videos. But like I said, my name's Leroy Fixing Shit. If you guys need a pair of overalls, this shit ain't sponsored or nothing. I like Dickies. Y'all see that right there? Dickies overall. That's what I'm wearing every day when I'm doing these videos for y'all. And you gotta have your fancy dancy Ford hat as well. Why? Because we drive a fucking Ford. That's why. Y'all have a great great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.